Hi, welcome back, boys and girls, to the mathcenter.com. In this particular video, I'm doing a problem. I want to discuss a very short problem on geometric progression. Geometric progression is, for short form, we call it GP. It is in this chapter called series for additional maths, be it for IGCSE, Edexcel. Oh, sorry. In this case, I think Edexcel also has it. Specifically, this is a problem examinable in IGCSE, CAIE, Cambridge Board for Maths, right? But anyway, a lot of other exams for all over the world also also talk about this series. There are two types of progression. Normally, they discuss one is arithmetic progression, denoted as AP, or in this case, geometric progression, which is GP. Now, in GP, the terms can grow exponentially or decrease exponentially. Whereas in the AP, it increases or decreases at a lesser rate. Now, there's a very simple question here. Let me read out to you. There's a simple GP. The terms are x plus 1, which is the first term. Second term is x plus 3. Third term is x plus 7. Now, those of you should know by now, in a geometric progression, now people, for all the basic theory, the background, notes, and lots more problems for geometric progression or this series, please go to our website, themathcenter.com. There's year 10 and year 11 MMaths there. You'll find lots of notes there, very systematically done. Here, I'm just doing offhand, a short, off the cuff, a simple question, discussing an idea. All right, so to help you, and also for the rest of you who may be looking for a little bit of help. But please do share with your friends and family. Our website, themathcenter.com. Go and give us a like. All right, so keep us alive on the net. All right. So okay, there's a question here. I backtrack. It's a series. Now in a GP, the first term is denoted as T1, T2. Second term is T2, T3. Tn means the nth term. So if it is fifth term, it will be T5. Right, so now the first term in a GP is A. That means the first term has a value x plus 1. A times a common ratio R will give you the second term, and this takes on x plus 3. The third term is AR squared, which is A times R, that will give you x plus 7. R is denoted as the common ratio. Okay, A is the value of the first term. Okay, now they ask you find the value of x. So to do this, we ask ourselves, what connects all these terms? The thing that connects all these terms is, of course, the common ratio. How do you find the common ratio? In most textbooks, it's given that the second term over the first term is same as the third term over the second term, which is same as the fourth term over the third term, etc. So in this case, the second term is denoted by AR. A is the value of the first term, which is x plus 1, and R is for the common ratio, which we don't know. So what we do is we take the second term, which is x plus 3. The value of x has a value, but x plus 3 is the entire value of the second term. Okay, the first term is not x. The first term is denoted by x plus 1. Okay, what is R? We are about to find out. So in this case, x plus R over x plus 1. See, that will be the second term over the first. It's the same as the third term, which is denoted by the value x plus 7 over the second value, which is denoted as x plus 3. Okay, now if you look at this, you have an equation all in one unknown, the value of x, which we are supposed to find. So there you go. That's why people from here, it's an algebraic equation which you have to solve. And hence you must know your algebra pretty well, okay? So you cross multiply, you have x plus 3 squared equals x plus 1 times x plus 7. So x plus 3 bracket squared, when you expand it, will be x squared plus 9 plus 3x, 6x. Okay, by now, can do a little bit of mental maths lah. X times x, x squared. 1 times 7, 7. 2 nearest x, 2 further 7x, add together 8x. So when you solve this, what do you have? You can cut the x squared on the left and right, it cancels each other out. So you're left with 9 plus 6x equals 7 plus 8x. So when you bring over, you have 2x equals 2. X is 1. So therefore, if the value of x is 1, if x is 1, that means the value of the first term is 1 plus 1, which is 2. The second is x plus 3, which is 1 plus 3 is 4. The third is 1 plus 7, which is 8. Can you see? Right, so 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, right? Hence, R is the ratio of 4 over 2, which is 2. R is the common ratio. In this particular question, it's quite simple. They're just asking you for x. So x, the value of x is 1. If I ask you, what's the x? 1. What is the common ratio R? Which is 4 over 2, which is 2. Remember, common ratio is the second term over the first, or the Tn term over the Tn minus 1 term. Okay? Any basic textbook on this will be able to tell you the formulas. So at any point in time, let's go on further. What is the value of Tn? Okay, I mean, it's not in this question. So let's say I modify this question and say, what is value of the term Tn? Tn takes on the value of AR n minus 1. A, which is the value of the first term, which is not x, which is x plus 1, 2. What is R? R is also 2, which is n minus 1. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, Tn equals this, or you can try and simplify further. 2 to the power of n minus 1 means 2 power n over 2, 1. Right? Which you also know as 1 plus n plus minus 1. So 1 minus 1 knock each other out. Tn equals 2 to the power of n. So T10, what's the value of T10? Will be 2 to the power of 10, which you take your calculator and get a huge number. Okay? So people, do you understand? You can play this video again and watch it. This is a simple idea about geometric progression, how to find x, how to find a, how to find the common ratio r, and finally how to find the value Tn. I did a little bit more than I originally planned. Okay, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Please take care. All right, stay safe, be good, be obedient, follow the rules. Have social distance, please. Stay out of crowds, be safe. Okay, your life is precious. I'll see you soon. All right, so do follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, our website, themathscenter.com. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.